I am Dr. ڕاجێندران گۆڤەندەر, right? I have a consultancy in Mzansi Empowerment Enterprise, and I'm an appointed social cohesion advocate in the government of South Africa. About 11 years ago, I was working for the Department of Arts and Culture in KwaZulu-Natal. And one of my main roles was to promote social cohesion and nation building. So I was invited to an event that was hosted by the Harmony Institute in Durban. And when I attended the event, I was amazed at the lovely work that was being done by the organization. And I've shown a keen interest in the workings of the organization and all the activities and programs that they were doing, so that as a department that was promoting social cohesion and nation building, we can learn a lot from an organization that's doing a marvelous piece of work. And I was invited to go to Turkey in 2010 to have first-hand experience of the Harmony Institute, of the ISMET movement and all its aligned structures. That's how I was introduced to the wonderful work of the Harmony Institute. The ISMET movement, which promotes tolerance, peace, dialogue, and outreach, right, is an ideally structured organization and very well placed to assist in South Africa with a multitude of cultures and religious groups and so on. South Africa is one country which has such a diversity of cultures, and it is a common understanding throughout the world. When there's such diversity, there will be problems, and we need to find meaningful solutions to address those problems. South African government and other associated structures are doing some work in promoting understanding, tolerance, social cohesion, nation building, etc. But if there is an organization that is doing such remarkable work and have a recipe for success, then why should we not engage with such an organization? So the ISMET movement is that such organization. We have such turmoil throughout the world, where ideologies, political, religious, cultural, social ideologies are creating serious problems in different parts of the world, including South Africa. An organization that bypasses all those glories and bypasses all those religious and cultural ideologies and bring people together in a common platform is the answer and a solution to the varied problems that we have in the world. So Harmony Institute and the ISMET movement globally promote tolerance, they promote dialogue, they promote understanding, and that is the answer. When you get people around the table to sit and talk about the highlights, talk about the challenges, and find meaningful solutions. They bring people from all religious, cultural groups together to sit around the table in its many, many interfaith and intercultural and intergenerational dialogues that they have throughout the country and throughout the world, because I've had experience of going to other parts of the world as well and seeing exactly what is being done. I don't like the word tolerance. We can't tolerate each other. We should not be tolerating another person. We should be embracing. And the ISMET movement has that firm principle and firm understanding that let's sit around the table and embrace each other. And that is what is so remarkable of the organization. And if you have an organization with an understanding of bringing people around the table to talk and solve those problems and come with meaningful solutions, then we are in a very positive journey. The ISMET movement creates that foundation, provides that opportunity for people to bypass everything and come and work towards finding solutions in the world. That's what makes the ISMET movement different from other organizations, because you'll find certain organizations are steadfast on promoting a certain religious ideology or promoting a certain political ideology. The Ismet movement do not allow politics or religion to disturb its ability to try to find meaningful solutions. Everyone belongs to different religions. I'm a Hindu, for example, right? You have Christians, you have Jews and everything. They all have certain ideologies. They have certain doctrines in which they follow, which is very important, because in order for us to be good human beings, right, we need to follow a certain doctrine. I'm living in a world where there's a common humanity, where we all belong to one human race. We have different religions, different languages that we communicate with. So where and when will there be an opportunity for me to understand a Christian brother more better, or a Muslim brother more better, or Jewish more better? So there needs to be an opportunity to bring them all together so that we can talk and share our religion, practices and so on. And that is where the interfaith dialogue, which is a very, very important component of the Ismet movement, satisfies that need, provide that opportunity, because they will have regular workshops where people from different religious groups will present the importance of Deepavali, for example, the importance of Christmas, the importance of Easter, the importance of Ramadan. So all these activities are brought so that we can understand people better, and that is why it's important, so that I can go back after going through an interfaith dialogue, and impart that same understanding to my child, for example, to make them understand that you are attending a school where there's so many different religions, but at the end of the day, we need to understand there's one common purpose, and the common purpose is to learn to be a proper human being once again. And that's what the Ismet movement has done through its interfaith dialogues, to make people understand what it is to be human again.